Here I have a 2025 Honda CR-V, and I'm going to show how to reset the tire light. First of all, you're going to want to air up your tires. And this is for the most basic CR-V. If you have a higher end model, you might have to do it through the radio. But here for this one, you're going to press this home button, and you're going to use this scroll button. So you're going to press the home button until you get over to this menu. Here, I'm just pressing it until I get to here. Then you're going to scroll down to settings. Right here, you're going to click on that. And then you're going to click again, that middle button. And then you're going to click on that first one, Tpms calibration. And then you're going to go down and press calibrate. And then it should say calibration started. And then your tire light should be off. But again, you want to make sure you air up your tires first to keep the tire light off. I think on this one it's 33 in the front and 32 on the rear. But to be on the safe side, just open up your driver's door and look at the sticker on this pillar. And it should say the tire pressure is there.